Welcome to the session of HVE. Today, your tech topics are what is HVE, introduction to HVE, electrostatic voltmeter, electrostatic voltmeter principle, generating voltmeter. What is high voltage engineering? High voltage is called as HVE. The HVE is defined as high DC voltage are usually measured by connecting a very high resistance, few hundred or mega ohms, in series with a micro ammeter current. Following through a large calibrated resistance, it is measured moving coil micro ammeter. Introduction to HVE. It is an essential to measure the voltage and current accurately. Because how much is this transferring, how much is the wastage we want to measure for future purpose or present purpose, ensuring a perfect safety to personnel and equipment. Linear explanation of device beyond their ranges are not valid for high voltage meter and measuring instruments, and they are have to be calculated for the full range. Electromagnetic interference is a serious problem too. Impulse voltage and current measured, and it has to be avoided or minimized. What is electrostatic voltmeter? The electrostatic voltmeter, the main difference between the several forms of a voltmeter lies in the meter which is registering force is applied. That is, which is applying a restore force when the high power is transmitted. The, in the meter, they are highly restoring the force by applying. For conventional version of meter, a dimple spring control is used, which accurates a pointer to move on the scale of the instrument. With more versatile instrument, only small movement of the moving electrode is allowed, and movement is amplified through the optical means. Clamp and scale arrangement has used moving coil galvanometer. Two air van dampers are used to reduce the vibrational tendencies in the moving system, and the elongation of the spring is kept minimum to avoid field disturbances. It is a block diagram of electrostatic voltmeter. Absolute electrostatic voltmeter. Light beam arrangement. Part A. For M mounting in a absolute electrical voltmeter, M called as mounting plate mirror, and G called as ground plate balance, F called as fixed plate capacitor divisor, H equals to air gun, and W equals to balancing weight. These are the parts of electrostatic voltmeter. Electrostatic voltmeter principle is works on the principal formula of F equals to minus delta omega S by ds equals to delta S by delta S 1 by 2 CV square, so 1 by 2 V square delta C by delta S, that can be derived as 1 by 2 epsilon naught V square A by S square equals to 1 by 2 epsilon naught A V by S square, it equals to d square by 2a 2 pi V by S whole square Gm into omega t. Electrostatic voltmeter principle: when one of the electrodes is free to move, that is, in the conductor, if both the anode and cathode, between those any one of the electrodes is free to move, the force of the other plate can be measured by controlling its spin or balancing with a counterweight. That is, the anode or cathode is anyone can be moved, that the another controlling spring balancing with a counterweight. For high voltage measurement, a small displacement of one of the electrode by a fraction of a millimeter to a few millimeters is usually sufficient for the voltage measurement. That is, high voltage is a small displacement of one of the electrode by a fraction. Okay, one of the electrode is a very less value in millimeter to a few millimeters is usually sufficient to voltage measurement. The millimeters is usually measured in voltage for the high voltage engineering. Electrostatic voltmeter are made with a parallel plate. That is, two parallels are collaborate within parallel connection to configuration using guard ring to avoid corona and field at the edges. In the conductor edges, for avoiding the corona edges, configuration between the two plates are with a parallel plate. An absolute voltmeter is made by balancing the plate with a counterweight on the calibrated terms of small weight. By using the small weight and calibrated rings, they are balancing in the plane to be calibrated scale. Electrostatic voltmeter, and another topic was electrostatic voltmeter principle. Electrostatic voltmeter have a small capacitance 5 to 50 farads. and high insulation resistance. It has small capacitance. In electrostatic voltmeter, the value of the capacitor is very small, 5 to 50 farads, and high insulation resistance. Upper frequency limit for a AC application are determined from the following condition. Natural frequency of the moving system. For the moving system, there has only natural frequency. The resonant frequency of the lead and stray capacitance with a meter capacitor. RC behavior of the retaining or control spring due to fractional resistance. Generating voltmeter, it is called as GVM. Construction of generating voltmeter we will see now. High voltage measuring devices employ generating principle and source loading is prohibited, as with the Van de Graaff generators, etc., or when direct connection to the high voltage source is to be avoided. A generating voltmeter principle and construction is a variable capacitor of electrostatic voltage generator which generates current proportional to the applied external voltage. The device is driven by an external synchronous or constant speed motor and does not absorb power or energy for the voltage measurement source. Principle of operation. The charge stored in a capacitor of capacitance C is given by Q equals to CV. Q is or C equals to capacitance, V is equals to voltage. If the capacitance of the capacitor varies with the time when connected to the source of voltage V, the current through the capacitance and generating voltmeter principle and construction for DC voltage dV by dt equals to 0. Hence, if the capacitor C varies between the limits of C0 and C0 plus Cm, sinusoidally has. This is a block diagram of generating voltmeter. Here S1, S2 field electrodes and S0 is rotor, S3 is also high voltage. This all are combined in generating voltmeter. Thank you.